Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. First, we are revisiting a profile we examined a few months ago for Monday's session. Since we last profiled the company, management has released a slew of press releases with news regarding new contracts and renewals of current customers. The company increased revenues by triple digits in 2023, and based on these recent news announcements, we could potentially see another strong year for the company in 2024. What subject has dominated the headlines over the past 2 weeks? Security. What subject has been dominating the headlines in 2024? Artificial intelligence. There is one AI security robotics stock that's leading the global security robots market, which hit $32 billion in 2021 and is expected to grow at an impressive annual rate of 17.65% to reach nearly $120 billion by 2030. Pull up KSCP immediately. Nightscope is a cutting-edge security technology company located in Silicon Valley. The company manufactures ASRs, which are made in America, equipped with state-of-the-art technology capable of deterring, detecting, and reporting crime. The numbers make it glaringly clear how important these robots are to public safety in the U.S. Right now, there are over 331 million Americans, yet there are only 660,000 full-time law enforcement officers and just over 1 million security guards, roughly one protector for every 200 people. In 2022, there were over 1 million violent crimes reported across the U.S., but only about 41.5% of violent crimes are reported, so it's much higher than FBI stats show. One protector for 200 people simply isn't enough. That's why Nightscope Inc. has leveraged 4 key technologies: autonomy, robotics, artificial intelligence, and EV technology to better equip both domestic law enforcement and private businesses. With high-definition 360-degree live streaming and recorded video, thermal cameras, and a public address speaker, ASRs provide additional eyes, ears, and a voice to law enforcement, covering more ground and keeping the peace at all hours. According to Investor Place, Nightscope could be a surprise hit among must-own AI stocks. Nightscope has been given the green light by the U.S. government, being awarded its authority to operate. This authorization from the Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program is a massive win that makes this company's cutting-edge technology available to federal agencies. But that isn't the only exciting news this company has shared in recent months. Nightscope has inked dozens of major deals across the country, including 18 new contracts in April valued at over $1 million. This is in addition to a 128% increase in revenue for 2023. It caught the attention of investment banking and equity research firm Ascendiant Capital Markets analyst Edward Wu, who in a recent research report highlighted the company's Q3 wins as a sign of what's to come in 2024. Some notable deals Nightscope includes a $1.2 million inventory replenishment order for its K1 call boxes and a $1.25 million contract with Rutgers, the State University of New Jersey, for a whopping 145 devices. Nightscope also completed a pilot contract with the NYPD, New York Police Department, for a K5 robot to patrol a Manhattan subway station with the support of the Metropolitan Transportation Authority, the MTA. According to the New York Times and a New York City spokesperson, it is on track to be deployed at another location. Some of the other big-name clients utilizing Nightscope's technology include the Port Authority of New York, New Jersey, Penn Entertainment, University of Tennessee, the FDNY, the New York City Fire Department, San Bernardino County Transportation Commission, San Luis Obispo Council of Governments, Orange County Transportation Authority, and the Ventura County Transportation Commission. Nightscope's Florida-based reseller Transportation Solutions and Lighting also purchased 40 K1 blue light towers to support its growing emergency communications business. If that's not enough, Nightscope just began selling its automated gunshot detection technology, which can reduce the response time to dangerous situations to 2 seconds. Let's take a look at some of the reasons this company is a force to be reckoned with in the public safety arena. First, innovation leader. Knightscope is a first-mover security technology firm manufacturing autonomous security robots, ASRs, equipped with advanced technology that can deter, detect, and report crimes. 2. Advanced technology integration. Knightscope uses 4 key technologies: autonomy, robotics, artificial intelligence, and EV technology to develop its unique and efficient security solutions. Recently launched real-time automated gunshot detection, AGD, and the Knightscope Emergency Management System, KEMS. 3. Cost-effective solution. Knightscope's machine-as-a-service model provides a cost-effective alternative to traditional security. Their services cost between 75 cents to $9 per hour. In comparison, an unarmed guard makes $15 to $35 per hour, and an off-duty armed law enforcement could make well over $85 per hour. 4. Ongoing revenue growth. Knightscope announced a 128% increase in revenue year over year, generating an estimated $12.8 million in 2023. Yet the company is trading at less than 25 cents with a market cap of less than 1/3 of invested capital, making it easily one of the most undervalued stocks on the Nasdaq. As you can see, the market cap is just $30 million. 5. Successful client acquisition and recurring revenue stream. Knightscope just signed another 18 contracts over $1 million, adding to its growing roster of major clients across the U.S. 6. Strong growth prospects. The ASR market is expected to grow significantly, reaching $116 billion by 2030. Knightscope also has a clear roadmap to profitability, targeting Q4 of this year. The management team holds over 10 million shares of the company's outstanding shares, and Knightscope CEO and chairman William Santana Lee holds 7 million shares. He was the youngest senior executive at Ford Motor Company out of 430,000 employees at the time, and later became chief operating officer at Ford subsidiary Greenleaf, the world's second largest automotive recycler. According to FinViz, 7.4% of the float is short, so there's significant short squeeze potential, just needs a catalyst. Don't just take our word for it, start your research. To read our full report on KSCP, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, 2 weeks ago we covered Alpha Technova, TKNO. I highlighted an almost $15 million insider buy on a $1 stock. That was one of the biggest insider buys I've seen this year. The stock that day dipped to as low as $1.77. Today, or Friday, it closed at $4.08 at the high of the day. Congrats to all who have been following TKNO, subscribing to this channel, and watching our coverage. Congrats to all who watched and banked. In my last video, I said that I liked VKTX and BHVN. Viking Therapeutics said that it had planned to advance its drug candidate VK2735 into Phase 3 testing for the treatment of obesity, with an end of Phase 2 meeting with the FDA expected later this year. The company also expects to initiate a Phase 2 study for an oral formulation of the drug this year. The biotech company also plans to hold an end of Phase 2 meeting with the FDA this year for its drug candidate VK2809 for the treatment of biopsy-confirmed NASH and fibrosis. BHVN, Morgan Stanley issued an overweight and a $58 price target on the stock last week, and what got me looking at BHVN has been all the recent insider buying, and 12.92% of the float is short. Next, so far this year, our biggest winner that we've covered on this channel has been ASTS. AST Space Mobile is building the first and only global cellular broadband network in space to operate directly with standard, unmodified mobile devices based on our extensive IP and patent portfolio and designed for both commercial and government applications. 20% of the float is short. What got me covering it back in May was it signed a $100 million deal with Verizon that basically repudiated the shorts thesis that the company was going to go under. The short interest in back then was much higher. The shorts have gotten their asses handed to them, and it's been covering, creating this epic short squeeze this year. But we still have high short interest, over 20%. That explains the last 2 days' price action, jumping from just under $14 to just under $20. Two other names that I'm putting back on my radar are SOUN and CORZ. SOUN, 25% of the float is short. Got a spike from 4 to 650, pull back here to 450, making another run. Put this one on your radar screen. And then CORZ, I covered it back in May. I said it's been consolidating up here, but it's building a base of support. So it looks like it wants to go higher. If it can't go lower, must go higher. So I think it's just waiting on another catalyst. Expect this one to make new highs, so keep this one on your radar. And as always, good luck to all except the shorts. I will also be scanning the pre-market. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up. And again, guys, it's completely free. However, Monday's primary focus is KSCP. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube or sign up at insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to LFG Equities for sponsoring this video on KSCP. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.